That's cool. Good morning, people. What time is it right now? It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We have to, I'm just getting stuff packed up a little bit here. And I just got done with the shower, as you saw, you nasty. And what am I doing? I need to get some breakfast. So let's go get some breakfast. Should I take this camera? Yeah, I'll take this camera. I'm in Holland. Who's gonna know me? Who's gonna care? All right, let's go get some breakfast. I don't know what that was all about. So I was going to vlog at the same time while doing Snapchat, but see. But I got called up for my food. So I'm gonna eat instead, and then we're gonna do some drone shots, okay? Early morning stuff, that's what we do. And I am going to rush over to where the groom is at. Luckily, he's only like 5 minutes away, so it's 11:20 now, 11:21-ish. It'll take me, what time is it for real? 11:21. So I'm going to rush over there and get the groom. I think I'll take this camera with me because I forgot to do it earlier. Okay, let's go. Now we are getting, it's almost time for the, grand entrance. We are at the dancing part of the night, almost midnight. It is 9:50, about 10 more minutes until I'm calling it quits. This will be a 12-hour day. 12-hour day shooting. Obviously, you guys know, 12-hour day shooting, but obviously you guys know that I was up at 7:30 or something like that in the morning and started droning early this morning. But it's been a long day. I'm gonna go finish cleaning up and head on the road in a minute here. So I'll see you in a minute. Good morning. I got up a while ago. It's 9:18 right now. I got up, I don't know, about an hour and a half ago, I think. Hour and a half. Anyway, point being, I'm gonna take a shower, I'm gonna get some breakfast, and I'm gonna head out. I've been cleaning up a little bit around here and packing up, and it's time to go. I wanna leave before the snow gets starting, I guess around 3 o'clock. The snow is gonna start. It's good right now. I just wanna get home. So I'm getting ready to check out of the hotel. And I took a shower, and no, you can't watch. You know how it fogs up the mirror and you can write messages for somebody? I don't have anybody to write a message to, but you could write a message to somebody. It says, I love you. A couple different things with that. Either there is a ghost going on here, or the maid service is sneaking in while I'm sleeping and writing me messages, or they're doing it while I'm gone. Either way, it's kind of creepy. Ooh, maybe it's a fan. Well, here I am pulling up. Like I said, people, I am just now getting back into vlogging. Well, I guess I was vlogging before. I'm just now getting back into editing.
So I will be editing a bunch of footage that I have. I got some stuff coming up from Arizona. I got some stuff coming up from Florida. I got some random stuff. But here I am. I'm home. It's New Year's Day for me. And celebrated by myself here, apparently. But don't worry. Don't feel bad for me. I went out this week. And I think I had fun. There's a lot of bags here. I'm just trying to, fill some time here with my beautiful voice. Oh yeah, let me tell you about my my podcast. My podcast is coming back, and Morning Vibes with Superman Dan. So make sure to listen for that. You can get that on Anchor, Spotify, all that good stuff.